Hello, friends. Good evening. Hope you all are doing well in this crisis time. So, as you know, today is 4th February, the World Cancer Day. So, I have come live to share my thoughts on this World Cancer Day and speak about a little bit about the oral care. Why is it important in cancer patients? So, starting, we'll get into why this World Cancer Day is important. So, this World Cancer Day is celebrated by International Union of Cancer Control as creating awareness regarding the cancer and and getting everybody like our government, our health workers, and creating awareness regarding the cancer and a collective effort so that we fight this dreadful disease. And regarding oral care is very important in cancer patients because and when they undergo chemotherapy, it is very important regarding they maintain their oral health. So I am going to give you little share some tips regarding how to manage the early diagnosis of the oral cancer and also how to maintain oral care if you have any patients undergoing chemotherapy or you have any relatives. So let's get into the cancer. How dreadful is the cancer disease? Recent WHO report has suggested that 1 in every 10 Indian can undergo or can is expected to have cancer in the coming years. So that is a really alarming statistics. And in India only there are 13.9 lakh cases of cancer which have occurred in the 2020, and there are 77,000 new cases of oral cancer only which are contributing to the cancer incidence. So mainly cancer cases are of the breast, lung, mouth and tongue. Now coming to oral cancer. So oral cancer mainly involves the oral part, which is the tongue and the cheeks and the mouth. Clear? And some of the early signs which can be detected, because when patients come with the cancer or any types of cancer or oral cancer, it is at very last stage. 60 to 70% cases come at the very grade 4 stage, which is very difficult for the oncologists and us the doctors to get into their and get into in normal treatment. So there is a preventive measure that if early diagnosis is very important. Remember friends, in a cancer, early diagnosis and treatment is very important. If we detect cancer at an very early stage, you are sure that it can be cured. So we should always remember this cancer, there is an answer if detected at a very early stage. So some of the early signs which you can understand it over at the home also, because cancer does not occur suddenly, it occurs over a period of time. So some of the early signs, if you have persistent symptoms which I am going to tell for over 2 weeks, that is going to be very important, critical. Like if you have any difficulty in chewing or swallowing, you are not able to swallow food or eat properly, then if there is a persistent ulcer in your tongue or in the oral lesion, so which is not getting cured, and if you are having pain in that, clear, so that is a very important part. And if you are having a lump anywhere, so it can be easily checked. You can easily examine your oral cavity and check for any uneasy lump or swelling, which is not, sometimes it may not be painful, but over a period of time it can be painful. And some growth which you are not aware and which you might be neglecting, so that is a early sign, that may be an early sign of cancer, and you should get your oral checkup done or get to a dentist done. So if there is a pain, like I said, if there is an ulcer and if there is a lump, and also there is a common red patch, okay, red or white patch, and it is usually common for people having tobacco habits. And most of the symptoms they may be encountering, they are not able to open their mouth. Like I am opening the mouth 3 fingers as you can see, but due to their tobacco habits, which is called oral submucous fibrosis, due to that they are not able to open their mouth, and patients don't realize that they are having cancer of the cheeks and oral submucous fibrosis. So friends, if you are having not able to open your mouth, any pain or lump in the orofacial or oral region, or any ulcer which is persisting, or you are having difficulty in eating or swallowing, please ensure go and visit a dentist and get your checkup done. Yeah, so that is regarding the early signs. These early signs are important because this will prevent you and you can get to know whether which symptom you have or which disease you cancer. Next, coming to some we encounter some patients or in our families and relatives which are undergoing cancer treatment. So they have a lot of oral problems. So how to take care of those oral care, basically oral care in cancer patients? Some of the tips which I give it to you, like the brushing has to be very important, and the first and foremost thing is the oral examination during the chemotherapy has to be there. Critical oral examination, you have to monitor whether any lesion is there, and usually fungal infections are there, and the main problem which comes with chemotherapy is dry mouth. Like the mouth becomes very dry due to all the chemotherapy treatment. So there's nothing to worry about it. The patient, you can make the patient have lot of fluids, and there's drink plenty of water, and keep the patients hydrated, so that dry mouth will definitely be subside. And brushing 2 times brushing has to be there, and we have to monitor if there is excessive bleeding, because flossing is also advised, but if there is excessive bleeding in flossing, that should be avoided. And we can avoid commercially based mouth washes which contain alcohol. That is also not advised at that stage. So, and also these are the some of the tips which can be monitored. And the people wearing dentures, okay, they can wear dentures only during when eating. Clear? When they are having a meal, they can wear the dentures. So these are the, and we should use a soft brush, not a hard brush. We can use a soft brush for the cleaning, so that it does not bleed. So these are the some of the tips and the early signs of oral cancer. So basically these days, for creating an awareness regarding the cancer patients, and collectively our healthcare workers, volunteers and everyone should come forward and fight against this dreadful disease. And the theme which is based is I am and I will. Yes, this theme is that yes, we can eradicate and remove this dreadful disease which is killing many of us in Indians also. Clear? So this is a message to strengthen, come forward of our oral healthcare workers and also volunteers. And oral care is also very important during cancer patients, and oral cancer is also a very dreadful part. People usually think that cancer of breast, lung and cervix, that is important, but oral cancer is also very important, mainly due to the habits. What is the tobacco, excessive use of tobacco, excessive use of alcohol. And always there's a prevention part. We can go for early stage diagnosis and early cancer screening. So cancer screening is also a part where we should voluntarily go for cancer screening if it is being conducted anywhere, so that we monitor ourselves whether we are having any lump or anything at the initial stages. So I hope this was informative and was useful for all my friends, and you welcome to any suggestions. So, and as you know, Dentamitra is Dentamitra has already started the house call visit and 24/7 video consultations. So I hope you can book an appointment with us at dentamitra.com. And this is, so Dentamitra is a digital one-stop solution for oral care anywhere and anytime. So you can get back to me for any your queries and all. Okay, thank you so much. So the takeaway message from today for today is we should come together to fight this dreadful cancer disease, and I'm sure we will make the world a better place, and at the time will come when this dreadful disease cancer is eliminated, when we have a time will come when we have an answer for the cancer. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great